Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a list on SharePoint step by step. I'll be working in SharePoint Online. First, you need to navigate to your SharePoint site. Once you're on the site, look for the Site Contents link in the left navigation panel and click on it. This opens the Site Contents page where you'll see all your lists, libraries, and apps. At the top of the page in the command bar, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down, click on List. This opens the Create a List page where you'll see multiple ways to create a list. You'll see an option called Blank List under the Create from Blank section. It's usually at the top or as the first option. Click on Blank List. This brings up a configuration panel where you'll set up your new list. In the panel, you'll see a name field. This is required. Type the name you want for your list here. The name will appear at the top of your list and can show up in your site navigation. Below that, there's an optional description field. If you want to add a description, type it in now. If not, you can skip it. Next, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show in Site Navigation. If you check this box, your list will appear in the left navigation panel of your SharePoint site, making it easier to find later. If you leave it unchecked, the list won't show up there. You'll need to go through Site Contents to access it. This step is completely optional, so choose what works best for you. Once you've filled in your list name and made your choices, click the Create button at the bottom of the panel. Your new list will open immediately. When your list opens, you'll see it has a default column called Title. This is a single line of text field that every SharePoint list has. You can rename it to something more relevant to your needs, but you can't delete it. To add more columns, click the plus Add Column button in the command bar at the top. To start adding items to your list, either click plus, add new item, or switch to edit in grid view for a faster spreadsheet style entry. You can find your new list anytime by going back to Site Contents or searching for it in SharePoint. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.